guys, so today we're going to be making the week 4 craft for the summer reading program. Week 4 means that the summer reading program is about halfway over, so make sure you're remembering to submit your minutes and help your team out. Our craft today is to make up a country and make a flag for it. So first things first, what you will need is all the craft supplies that came in your bag. So that is this piece of paper, the outline of your flag, colorful construction paper, some ribbon, and a dowel. We also have a worksheet so you can write about what your country is, and we'll need some sort of glue. I have a glue stick, but you could use white glue or tape, and some scissors. You could also use pencil crayons or markers or whatever else you would like. So to start with, we're going to need to cut our flag outline out of our piece of paper. You could also just leave it this size if you wanted, but the slightly smaller one will fit on your dowel better. Now that we have our flag outline cut out, we're going to start decorating it. So we're going to use our construction paper to decorate. So to decorate our flag with our construction paper, we are going to need to first make sure that our construction paper is the right shape and size. So for that, I have a pen. Forgot to mention that at the beginning. You will need a pen for this part. So I'm going to pick the colors that I want to use on my flag. I'm starting with yellow, green, and then both shades of blue. I'm going to put the rest off to the side for now. So I'm going to start figuring out how I want my flag to look. I think I want the background to mostly be blue. So see how our blue is bigger than our flag? We want it to fit nicely on there. So I'm just going to line up the corner and then trace my flag. Now we have a nice outline of our flag there that we can cut out. Okay, and the blue fits really nicely right on my flag. Since I want my background to be all blue, I'm just going to glue this on with my glue stick. Okay, so I'm going to take the rest of my colors now and start arranging them. I think I want some yellow, and then some green, some of this blue too. And I'm going to do the same thing with the next colors as I did with the blue. Okay, so I want you to remember that your flag doesn't have to look like my flag. Your flag can be whatever you want it to be, whatever colors you'd like. Okay, and now that my flag is done, we're going to let it dry. And while it's drying, we're going to do our worksheet. And you guys can draw a picture of your country if you'd like. So our flag is probably dry now. So it's time to attach it to our flag post. That is the wooden dowel that we have here. So mine is gonna look a little bit different than yours. Yours is going to have a little bit off to the side with 2 little holes in it. I'll come back when mine looks the same as yours will. Okay, so when you get your flag, you're gonna have 2 little hole punches here, which you're gonna make sure not to cover with your construction paper. I forgot to hole punch mine before I started. Okay, so to attach your flag to your flagpole, you're gonna line it up with the hole. You're gonna thread your ribbon through the hole and then tie it nice and tight right around your flagpole. Ask an adult for help with this if you need to. And then I'm gonna trim the extras, but you don't need to if you don't want to. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. And there you go. Now you have a flag for your country.